Hi, my name is Marvin Baines. I'm a student at JTech, and today we will be diagnosing the window washer and why it is not working. For my first part of the video, though, I'm going to show you the schematics and how to actually do it. And my second video will be actually doing it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to check this pink wire that's going to the BCM that's behind the steering wheel going to the BCM. You're going to check that pink wire for voltage, and then after that you also want to press the switch for everything you do after this, and then you're going to check the orange wire, and you're going to check the orange wire for voltage, and make sure you press the switch, and then you can skip this step at the you can skip checking the orange wire at the BCM, because you can just go straight to the fuse, and you can check the fuse. You could check the fuse for voltage, and then the fuse is heading towards the relay, and when the switch is activated, it energizes this magnetism and pulls the switch over, and it goes straight down through this orange wire, and this is where you would check this orange wire for voltage heading to the motor. And then after that you would want to check the motor to see if the motor is working, and then if you still haven't found your problem, you would check for continuity in this dark green wire, and then that would be it for checking the steps and diagnosing the schematic to actually seeing how to do it. Alright, so now we have everything set up. So we're gonna test this pink wire first for voltage, and I have everything set up. And you want to make sure that you have the red probe and a connector. You want to have it connected to the pink wire for the red probe for power, connected to the pink wire, and the black for a good ground. And you want to have the black for a good ground inside the car. And then I have it set up on my multimeter. We're gonna read battery voltage now, and it says 11.2. You want to have it between 12.6 and 12.4. Lowest is 12.4 and between 12.6. The battery is a little low. It's charging now, but we see that we have power going to the BCM. Next, we're going to test the orange wire. Alright, so what happened before was we're reading the right amount of voltage now, 12.8. What happened before was we had this on the battery. We had this car on the battery charger, but it wasn't charging. So now that we have it on the charger, it's reading between space. It's 12.7. So we know the power is getting to the BCM through this pink wire. Now we're going to test the orange wire.
Seriously. What was that? I don't know. I was on Facebook.
So for me to read battery voltage on this on the orange wire, I needed to have it connected up to the switch. So because this is when you press the switch, this is what's sending the water out to the windshield wiper, and now I'm reading battery voltage at 12.9. So we have power coming through the orange wire, also going to the BCM. And next we're going to test the relay for battery voltage.